Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and full review of the sports earphones. Here the brand says DACOM. In the listing I have seen Iqua L19, I think the model type is L19 wireless earbuds. They come with the latest Bluetooth 5.0 ear hooks. They have touch control and they have a whopping 30 hours of playtime and deep bass with 30mm driver. They are sweatproof, have HD call, automatic pairing, a lot of really good features. We can see that here, but let's go and open it and see what we get. Comes with this nice box. We have already some instructions here on the inside. That's really good. And so we have the earbuds here, very easy to take out. And here we have the charging cradle. On one hand it's not super small, but on the other hand, of course, it's super capable. I mean, it has a lot of power inside, so we can charge these earbuds many times to get a total runtime or playtime of around 30 hours. With one single charge, the earbuds last for around 6 hours of constant playing and talking. Then what we also have here in the box is this instructions manual. That's of course then a little bit more detailed, and here we get also the charging cable and the additional ear tips. The charging cable is micro USB, and as it looks, the medium size ear tips are already mounted, and so we have this extra small here and extra large if you need that, but usually for most people I think these ones will work perfectly. And to make sure that everything is working normally and that everything is fully charged, we connect the cable here to the USB, maybe of a power bank or so, then we connect it to the charging port of this cradle, and then we can open the cradle. Needs a little bit of power here, and then we add the earbuds here into the cradle, and so with the red light we see that they are charging, so we'll wait till they are fully charged. And to connect them, we take them out of the cradle, so they will turn on automatically, and then they will connect to each other and go into pairing mode, and we see that here. And so we go to pair a new device on the phone, and you can see it's blinking blue here, and we see this athlete TWS here, and it goes into pairing. Of course, we give the authorization, go to pairing, and then we have the headphones here. Okay, so here I am after testing these earbuds, and I can definitely confirm that most of it is working in a really good way. But let's go to the details, and also I'm going to play a microphone recording for you. So let's start with the wearing comfort, and I can confirm you that these are really very comfortable earbuds, even with the bracket here. And the good thing is when we have it like that, I mean, they are like this in the cradle, and you charge them and you take them out, you have them like that, and you have the right one automatically here and the left one automatically here. With some of the cradles they are switched, not in this case, so this is very good. Then also you can hold them really nicely, and then you put them inside your ears like that. You can lift these brackets here a little bit up and put them over your ears, and then they can sit really tight, and that's also very important that they sit tight and also deep in your ears. They don't have to be really deep, but they have to be a little bit inside, of course, that they fit really nicely and provide an ultra deep bass sound. At the beginning I didn't have any real bass sound, and I was wondering what's wrong, and then I switched the ear tips from medium to large size, and I adjusted a little bit the angle in my ears, and then in a sudden I had the greatest deep bass sound which I have heard in long time from any kind of earbuds. So they definitely work, and if somebody tells you that they don't have deep bass sound, the only problem is then that they are not fitting perfectly, so I have to adjust the size and also the angle a little bit how you are wearing it. But after you have adjusted them, the sound is really awesome. Then regarding the functions and the buttons, yeah, I've never really found out where they are. So what I did at the end, I was just tapping on them with my whole hand. I think that's the easier thing and always worked. That's really good. I mean, they have just like one sensor area on the left and on the right side. Usually they are doing the same. You can, for most of the functions, you can use both, except from going back to the last track with double tapping here and going to the next track on the right side to double tap. Usually with one tap you can start and stop playing or taking a phone call or hang up a phone call, and with the two taps you can go back and forward while something is playing on your phone. And with triple tap you should be able to reset the pairing, but that didn't work for me for some reason, I don't know. So the only thing which I had to do and worked for me is to disconnect here. So click on forget. If you want to give this to a friend, click on forget, and then they will go automatically into pairing. And by the way, when they are in a pairing and you tap 2 times on the left one, you can change the language between Chinese and English, and it will be confirmed just by 2 beeps. That's a very unique option. I think this can be really nice, and you can change that anytime. When you're not happy with the language, you go to forget, it gets into pairing, you do the double tap, and it will change the language again. And then we have also some long presses with 2 seconds pressing while nothing is playing. You can invoke the voice assistants with 3 seconds of pressing. When it's not in the cradle, you can turn them on. With 5 seconds of pressing, you can turn them off. I think these are the most important options. By the way, most of the things are not confirmed by any kind of voice confirmation, which is really good. I love this. Also no beeping, no crazy loud beeping or something like that. The only thing which is confirmed is like the turn on and connected or pairing, these things which are really important. That's good. So it works absolutely perfect, exactly how I want it. And again, they were also comfortable. They were sitting really tight no matter what I did, not even with sweating. They were moving. They felt really comfortable even after hours, and they look also very good. They are not really wide or so. They are not like standing out or so. And as a final thing, I have also recorded a microphone recording sample, and I'm going to play that now for you so you can listen to that. Microphone test 1 2 3 4 5. Microphone test 1 2 3 4 5. So I hope you have been able to hear that, and for me the audio quality was really good. I mean, the audio is a little bit muffled, but it is still very clear and very good and easy to understand. And the best thing is that there were absolutely no volume swings. A lot of these earbuds have a lot of volume swings when you record or when you talk to some other people. These have absolutely nothing. And what's also good, when you touch the earbuds, when you have them in your ears and you're using them as a microphone to make a phone call, no matter where you touch them, there's almost absolutely nothing to hear, nothing which will disturb other people or so. This is really, really nice. So for me, definitely some of the best sports earphones or earbuds, and so I can give you full recommendation, and I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order it from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, see you next time.